Ambrose Biona, the NRM Vice Chairman for Kamwenge District, has encouraged candidates who lost in the recent primaries, as well as those who filed petitions, not to lose hope.
As we transit from primaries of the movement, our party, let me take this opportunity to thank those who went through and opposed, those who campaigned and were voted and won, and those who were taken to the tribunal and the tribunal ruled in their favor. Congratulations. And to those who lost both the elections and the tribunal decisions, this is not the end of the world. This is not the end of our party.
Biona stressed that in every election, there will always be winners and losers, but what matters most is looking ahead and working together as members of the NRM family.
This is a confirmation that the movement allows free participation from the grassroots, and at the end of the day, how you have convinced people, what you've done for the people, is what brings you back and is what makes you win. So those who did not win, this is not the end. Don't lose hope. Let's remember one simple thing, that this was our internal arrangement as the movement. We went through the process. The process did not favor everyone because you cannot have winners. There is always a loser and a winner. So those of you who lost, don't lose hope.
He also highlighted the importance of unity as the National Delegates Conference approaches, urging members to uphold the party's core values and focus on mobilizing its support for President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni in the coming general elections.
Let us strengthen our party. There is another chance. After 5 years, we should be able to come back. Whatever we aspire to do politically is giving back to the community through service. Advocating for services and better information down to the grassroots, so that whatever comes from the government that is supposed to trickle down to the people is well spent, because structures are there and information is given. And let's remember, now we are going for delegates conference. Let's remember the core values of the party. Cohesion, ensuring that we stay together, ensuring the programs for sustainability and empowerment are all put before each and everyone's interest.
Meanwhile, Kasbata Bigaba Mirembe, the Member of Parliament for Kibale County in Kamwenge District and NRM flag bearer, expressed his gratitude for being re-elected.
I have once again been elected as a flag bearer for the NRM for the coming 12th Parliament. So I want to thank God, and I also want to thank my people who have entrusted me with another mandate.
Abigaba praised the district for conducting peaceful elections and urged all stakeholders to handle the post-election period with responsibility and maturity.
We've gone through an election which was largely peaceful. Kamwenge District as a whole, we've always had peaceful elections. So even this time round, we had really generally peaceful elections. There was no violence. We campaigned in peace. By God's mercy, we didn't register any kind of big problems or challenges. Of course, elections, you know, there are always convoys here and there. We didn't register any accidents.
He emphasized that as Kamwenge moves towards the general elections, unity and teamwork will be crucial in ensuring improved service delivery to the people.
Like now, we are heading to the general elections, first of all. General elections, where we are again going to participate. This is the time I would call upon all these people to join hands, to join us as one family of the NRM. Kamwenge is predominantly NRM, 98% NRM. So we are one people. So let us get back together. We stop dividing the NRM support. We work for unity. We know that there is always another chance. We support the flag bearers, people who have gone through.
Julius Muhumuza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.